Systemeio just launched a new features called websites. Using these features, you can easily create websites and multiple pages. This beautiful looking website created using these website features. And I have showed all the necessary settings and features of this website features. So without wasting any more time, so let's get started. So hello everybody, just open your Systemeio dashboard, then just hover your mouse pointer on sites, then you can see websites. Just click over here. Now click here create. And here just write down your website name. So I'll just write down here FunnelAnalyst, and then I will choose my default Systemeio subdomain. Then I will just make it FunnelAnalyst. Just click here, then the website name automatically added over here as a URL. Now you can see language. We can make our site multilingual. So here we have the options to choose our language. So I will choose English and then click save. Now here you can see we have two options. One is choose a template and second is build from scratch. If you want, then you can select these options, build from scratch, and then you can build the entire website from scratch. But for now I will choose a template. So here if you just hover your mouse pointer, then you can check the template preview. So I have checked in all of the templates personally, and all of the templates are really so beautiful and professional looking. And I just open all of the templates and customize before making this video, and all the templates are really beautiful and so professional and fully responsive on all of the devices. So I will choose this template and then click save, and it will be automatically open this dashboard. And then first of all we can see here pages, and here we have all of these pages. So if you click here about us, then it will just open the about us page, and you can see the page is so professional and fully responsive. And these it have this pricing page and all of the pages are fully functional and fully working. So now just click here home page, and then after the pages we have this pop-up option. So if you click here, then we can create the pop-up from here. Just click here plus these options, then the pop-up will be added. So for now I will just delete this pop-up. Later we will see how to create pop-up, and if you are familiar with Systemeio, then you know how to create a pop-up. Now click here style, and here you can see we have couple of options: typography, themes and colors, button and links, form fields and layout. So first of all let's check the layout option. So if you click here, then here you can see we have the content width. So if I just make it medium, then see the content width is becoming medium. If I just click here large, then it will be large, then it will be extra large. And if I just click here small, then it will be small, and this is the extra small. But for now I will just make it large. Okay, so here I just need to show you one more thing. So if I just make it medium, then see the content width is gone medium, but the header is still the large size. So for changing it, just click here and click this design and scroll down below, and here you can see the content width. Just make it M, then it will be the medium, it will be the same to same. And the same way you can change from the footer. Just select it and scroll down below, and here you can see medium. But for now I will just make it large, and I will also click style, layout, make it large, and I will also make the header into large, design, and I will just make it large. Then it's gonna be look like this. And then we have this setting options. Here we have this website name, language, and if you want to make your site multilingual, then you can just click here and you can choose any other languages. Then you can create your site for both languages. But for now I will just make this site into English language. Now if you want to just customize your logo, just click here, then it will be select your logo, then you can add your text as a logo and you can upload your logo. So if I just make it FunnelAnalyst, then see the text is added over here, and then we can just customize the typography, text, and all of the things from here. And if you want to upload your logo as an image, then just click here, click upload, then you can upload your logo. Or if you have already uploaded your logo, then click here images, and then I will select this logo and click insert, and see the logo size is little big, so I want to decrease the size. So just logo height, just decrease this one. So I will just make it 30, and it's looking good. And here you can see you can make it mobile responsive also. On the mobile it's gonna be look like this. On the mobile I will select the image, upload, and your image, then select this one, and see the logo is changed, but the size is little big, so I will make it little smaller. Let's make it 20. Then it's gonna be look like this. And this is the button. We can also make it responsive, but we can do it later, and this is the same way to make it responsive. So I'll make it desktop, and say it's gonna be look like this. Now here you can see the menu options, but first of all let's change the button. So click the button and I will change the button text, and here I will just write try Systemeio for free, and see the button is gonna be look like this. So try Systemeio free, I will just make it this much. Now let's say I want to change the button color, so I will just select the button and then scroll down below, and here you can see background color, and click here and I will just make the button color into red color, then the background color will be changed. And see the hover effect is working, so I will just click here, I will change the hover background color. So scroll down below and here you can see hover effect, and I will click here and I will just make the color into this blue color. And now if we hover, then see the color is becoming the blue. I will make it little this blue color. Yep, now it's looking. Now let's say I want to change the header background color, so I'll click here, then the website header will be selected. Now click here design and header background, I will just make the header background into this color, and see the header background is changed. But here you can see we have other options, like on the element sections we can enable login options, registration options, and we can also enable the multilingual features. So if your site is a membership site, then you can add this login and sign up options on the header, but for now I will just turn up all of this and I will just only take the button options. And then we have the menu. Let's say we want to create a new menu, so first of all we have to create a new pages, then we can add the page in this menu sections. I will click here and I will make a page called features, and then click here, then the features will automatically add it. Then just click save, and then the features page is created. Now it's under wrap, just click here. Okay, first of all save here, then the pages will be saved. Now click here and it's gonna be look like this, the empty page. You can only see the header and footer. Now we have to create the features page over here. So for now let's I will just click here and I will click blocks, and I will click my blocks. Let's I will just import this block, pros and cons, I will just import this on. Now what you can do, just select this row, main row, and I can add some padding on the top and bottom. Let's say if I just make it 50 pixels, then on the top and bottom it will be add some white space. Let's say this is our feature space. Now click save, and now we have to add this feature space on this navigation menu. So just click here and here you can see we have all of the pages. Now click here add menu item, now make it features, and then from here website pages. You can also add custom URL, but for now I will just add this website page, then we have this features. Now see the features option is added over here. Now click save, and now if we just click pages and click home page, now how can you change all of the home page content? You select the template, now you want to now you need to change all of the content, right? So just select the content. I mean on sales funnel features or blog features, how you change all of the content, it's the same to same, 100% same to same. So it's not a new thing. It's if you're familiar with system, then you can do it very easily. Just select all of the text and then write down your text. I'll just write down how to build a website using system. And see, it is not looking that much professional because this row size is little small and this row size is little big. So I'll just come over here and see, this way we can just increase this row size, then it's looking little bit better, right? Now the same way you can change the button color. Just click the button and scroll down below, and here you can see the button background color, and I will just make it red. And the same way I will just click here hover effect, and I will make the hover background color into this color. And if you have the color code, just double click here and paste the color code. Select this color and the color will be added over here. Now let's say you want to add a drop shadow, then scroll down below and here you can see the shadow options here, and I will just make it blurry shadow, then see it's gonna be look like this. So yep everybody, this way you can edit. So these are the things you can easily do, so I'm not going to tell you these are the things. I show you how to create the header, how to create the menu, and how to change the button. And if you want to add the button URL, so just click here and here just paste the URL. Okay, let me show you. I will just open this site, and from here I will just copy this my affiliate link. Okay everybody, so if you are not upgrade your Systemeio, and if you need to upgrade your Systemeio plan, then please use my affiliate link. It won't be charged you extra, but it will help me to create more free videos like this. That the URL is changed. So now I will change the button background. So I will just click here and make the color into red. Then see, the color has been changed. Now click here. Okay, the logo has been changed because previously we didn't save it. FunnelAnalysts. So please save before going to any other pages. What you have made changes here, just save here. So I will choose this logo, click save, and I will just make the logo size into 30. Then it's gonna be look like this. Now click save and it will be saved. Okay, now let me show you the another features that's gonna be help you a lot. So if you just click here pages, then you can see home page. If you click here, then here we have these options, settings and unpublish. So if you want to unpublish any of the pages, then you can unpublish from here. Okay, so first of all, click here features and make this page publish and publish now. Then this page will be published. Anyone can see this page. Now click here home page and click here and click setting. Here you can see we have the general setting. Here we can change the page name, and then we have the SEO setting. Here we can do all of the SEO things. If you don't want to index your site on Google, then you can just tick mark this one, then your site won't be indexed on Google. But I will just turn it off because I want to index this site on Google. And then you have to just write the SEO title, descriptions, keyword and author. And then we have the language options, and then we have these advanced options. If you want to add your Facebook pixel code, then you can add the tracking code over here. These are very simple. See, these are very simple and very professional and only built for building website. Now click save and click over here. Now let's say I want to add a new sections. Okay, so how can we do that? Just click here. Okay, not here, just click here, and then here you can see we have this row options. Just drag the row. Let's drag the row here. Okay, just drag the row over here. Okay, not here, just drag the row, I mean here. Then see, we have added the row. Now in this row we can add our text. Let's say I will just add video sections. Okay, first of all I will add a text, and then I will add a subtext, and then I will just add this video features, and then I will just add the button. See, it's gonna be look like this. Now first of all I will select this row. I will add some padding, 50 pixel padding from the top and bottom, and let's add 20 pixel padding from the left and right side. Then it will add some white space, and I will click here. Let's say for making it more visible, I will change the background color into, let's say, this color, or I can make it this color. Then see, the background is gonna be look like this. Now click here. I will just make it 22 pixel radius, corner radius, and then it's gonna be look like this. Now click the text, and I will just make the text alignment into center. I will do the same with this, make it center, and then the button is already on center. Now what we need to do, we just need to change this text element. Just copy your text and paste it over here, and see, it's same to same. So I will just add some padding over here. So I will do it here. Click the video options. Here we can embed our video URL, and then we have other options. But here just use the margin options. Just add 20 pixel margin from the top and bottom, then it will add some space, and then see, it's gonna be look like this. And let's say if you like this boxes, okay, and you want to use it in other pages, then just click here and it select the full row. Now click here, create block, and then write down your block name. I will just write down here 5 boxes, and then click here create, and see, the block has been created. Now let's say I just need to add the block here. So what I need to do, just come over here, click my blocks, and then just drag the block over here. Then see, the block has been added. Change the logo from here, and then change the text, then change the subtext, and this way you can use it any other pages. It's pretty great, right? So for now I will just click here, and I will just select this row, full row. So here you can see one more thing. See, if I try to select all the row from here, I can select. if I just click here, then see it's selecting only one row, because see, this is the first row, and then we have this another row, and this is the main row. In this row we have all this other boxes row, and here it don't use any padding on the left and right side. That's why we can select the main row. So for selecting the main row, what you need to do, just select any of the boxes, any of the row, and then you can see this is the main row. Just select and click delete, then this will be deleted. Okay, that's very simple. And now let's change the footer logo. So just click here, and I will just make it funnel analyst. Then here we have this menu, and in this menu we can add menu item. Then this is the features, and then website page. Then we have this feature options, and see, it's added. Now let's I will just write down here funnel analyst alright reserve 2025, and see, it's pretty good. Okay, here you just need to add your video. Okay, let me add my own video. Okay, I will just add this template preview video. I will just copy the URL, copy link address, and then come over here. Then I will just paste the URL over, and the video will be added over here. And guys, if you need funnel templates, then you can check this page, free funnel templates, and here just click here free templates, and here I have created couple of templates, and day by day I will add more templates on this page. Okay, so if you need those templates, then just hover over here, then you can use this template. And if you also need some discount or want to upgrade your Systemeio plan, then please come over here discount, and then you can grab these discounts, and I will get some commissions from you, and it will help us to create more videos like this. So now click save. And now everybody, the same way you can change all of the pages. Just click the page about page, and then just double click, then just click image, and then upload your image. The same way you can upload all of the things. These are the things you can easily do, right? These are the things, are not a new thing. So I think I have covered all the new things that provide these website features, and this is really great. But one thing I just don't like, we don't have the options to share our website template. Let's say I build a template for you guys, but I just can't share the templates. Here we don't have the options. So I think in the futures they will add the features. Now once you're done to create the pages, then just click here, and then click activate, and click here confirm. Then your site is now live. Now click here and click view, and see, we can see our sites. This is our page, and our video also been added over here, and see, everything is looking great. Now we have this about page, this is the pricing page, and then we also have this features page. If you just click here, then see, it's showing error. So let's see how can we fix this. So I will just come over here, I will just open this. Now first of all, come over here features. Here the feature page is alright, right? Now let's click here, and here we have this features, then we have added the feature page. Then click save. So there the feature page is alright. Then why it's okay? See, now it's working. So sometimes these are the issues can be happen because yesterday they launched this feature, so a lot of people are trying this website feature. So a couple of days you can see these kinds of glitches. So that's a very normal thing. So this is a very basic video. I just didn't show you much thing, I just show you the necessary things. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you guys learned something new. Thank you for watching, and keep watching our more videos.